Ah, hi there. Everybody's going to want dessert tonight. Pardon me. So, let's go ahead and make some. Now, one of the things about this channel is that we stress how easy it is to make food. So, yeah, this is going to be easy. I got here a bowl of strawberry low-fat yogurt. See if we can show you that. Yeah. And it's a decent quality yogurt. You know, I like it. I got here a bowl of vanilla low-fat yogurt. This one I added a little extra vanilla to. And some of my, for lack of a better term, cookie pesto, sugar pesto. A little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of white sugar, a little bit of ground almonds. You don't have it? Don't sweat it. You don't need it. So how do you make dessert out of that? Well, they were making basically panna cotta. What's panna cotta? It's basically milk jello. When you think about it, it's kind of gross sounding, but when you do it, it's pretty good. So in this bowl, number 3, I have 1 cup of warm water, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 packet of gelatin. So half of that goes in each of these bowls. Ta-da! So, flavored yogurt, little gelatin, warm water, of course. And because we're diluting yogurt, or diluting something sweet, we added a little extra sugar. Mix. Rinse. And now I'm mix some more. So how much yogurt did I use? Well, as is typical on this channel, I did a very scientific measuring technique. I took the pretty little dish that's going to hold the finished product and put yogurt in it and use that as a measuring device. So here we go. Strawberry yogurt, gelatin and sugar water. As well as vanilla yogurt, gelatin and sugar water. Why am I doing 2? Because the measurements for the packet of gelatin kind of work out that way. So that's it. Put these in the refrigerator for a couple hours. The vanilla goes very nicely with some honey on top. The strawberry is pretty good on its own. That's it. Dessert. Unlike the fancy cooking shows, I tend to leave my panna cotta inside the pretty little dish. If you want to decant it or put it out, good for you. I'm not going to. So that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe, like, and all of that good stuff. And yeah, food is that easy. Thank you. Goodbye.